Olivia from Hopeful Honey here. Today we're learning how to crochet the UK half treble crochet stitch. So to begin, you'll need to yarn over once. Then insert your hook in that next stitch. Yarn over once and pull back through that stitch. You should have 3 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over once and pull through all 3 loops at the same time. Perfect! Your first half treble crochet stitch. Let's try another one, shall we? So to begin, yarn over once, then in that next stitch, you'll want to insert your hook, yarn over and pull back through that stitch. You should have 3 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over once and pull through all 3 loops at the same time. There you go! Let's try one last one, shall we? So to begin, remember, yarn over once, insert your hook in that next stitch, yarn over and pull back through that stitch, 3 loops on your crochet hook, yarn over once and pull through all 3 loops at the same time. Perfect! So the half treble crochet is an incredibly easy stitch to learn, which is why it's used in almost every single crochet pattern under the sun. This is precisely the reason why I personally love to use it when crocheting chunky afghans or basic beanies. In other words, this stitch is a must learn for all crochet newbies.